How to fix the Duolingo app not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Duolingo not working. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first fix is always the most basic one, that is check for your internet connection. So just do that, check for your internet connection and make sure that you're connected to a Wi-Fi. You can also switch to a mobile data if your Wi-Fi is not working, or you can just connect to a stronger Wi-Fi connection. It's completely up to you. After doing that, you can then open up Duolingo and check if it's working or not. If it's still not working and if it's still giving you errors, what you'll need to do is just go to your settings. On your settings, just scroll down, tap on General, then tap on iPhone storage, then find Duolingo here. So let's search for Duolingo. There we go. Tap on it and then offload the app. Offload the app entirely and reinstall it. You might lose the data in your Duolingo, but after that, your problem will get fixed. And that's how you fix Duolingo not working, guys. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.